Welcome to this English learning video. Today, you'll learn English through the daily routine of a working mom. We'll follow her from morning until night, learning simple sentences and useful vocabulary along the way. It's perfect for beginners who want to practice listening and improve their English with real-life examples. Listen carefully.
It's 6 a.m. and the alarm goes off. I slowly get out of bed, trying not to wake anyone else. The house is still quiet. It's my favorite time of day. I head to the bathroom, still a bit sleepy, and splash cool water on my face. It's refreshing, helping me wake up and get ready for the busy day ahead. I head to the kitchen and brew my first cup of coffee. Those first few sips are like magic, giving me the energy I need to face the busy day ahead. By 6:30 a.m., it's time to get the kids moving. The kids slowly trickle in, sleepy-eyed, but excited for the day. The kids always perk up once breakfast is ready. It's their favorite part of the morning, and I love seeing them enjoy it before they head off for the day. As they eat, I'm packing their lunches and reminding them to get dressed. We've got this routine down to a science, but it still feels like a race against the clock every morning. It's 7:30 a.m., and we're outside just as the school bus pulls up to the curb. I watch them hurry onto the bus, chatting with each other as they find their seats. The driver gives me a friendly wave, and I wave back at the kids through the window. "Have a great day, and be kind to everyone," I shout with a smile. The bus slowly drives off, and I stand there for a moment, watching it disappear down the street. It's always a bittersweet moment. I'm happy to see them off, but already looking forward to hearing their stories when they get home. Now it's my turn. I'm heading to work, either driving or catching the train. It's my time to catch up on the news, listen to music, or plan my day ahead. I take a deep breath, knowing that once I get to work, the whirlwind begins. By 9 a.m., I'm in full work mode. Emails, meetings, phone calls, it's nonstop. I'm managing projects, solving problems, and keeping everything running smoothly. Sometimes I'll get a call from school about the kids, and I have to switch between work brain and mom brain. It's a balancing act, but I've gotten pretty good at it. It's 12:30 p.m. and I finally take a break. Sometimes I'll eat with my coworkers, or if I'm working from home, I'll grab a quick bite while catching up on personal errands, or maybe just relaxing for a few minutes. By 5 p.m., I'm wrapping up work and rushing out the door to pick up the kids. It's always a relief to finish the workday, but I know my second shift is about to start at home. I pick the kids up from school or their after-school activities. They're full of stories about their day, and the car ride home is always noisy with chatter and laughter. I love hearing about what they did, even when they argue a little. It's just part of family life. It's 6 p.m. and we're home. I'm making spaghetti tonight. It's a family favorite. While dinner's cooking, I help the kids with their homework and make sure everything's ready for tomorrow. We sit down together to eat at 7 p.m. This is our time to reconnect, laugh, and just enjoy being together after a long day. After dinner, it's time for the evening routine. We clean up, the kids take their baths, and I help them finish any leftover homework. Pajamas on, teeth brushed and ready for bed. Let's finish up so we can read your story. Then it's off to bed. I read them a bedtime story and tuck them in. I always love this moment, reading a bedtime story to them. It's a peaceful way to end the day, and it helps them drift off to sleep. By 9 p.m., the house is quiet again. I take a little time for myself, maybe watch a show or read a book. It's my way of unwinding after such a busy day.
Let's explore some key vocabulary from the story to help you expand your English skills. Brew is to make a drink, like tea or coffee, by mixing it with hot water. I head to the kitchen and brew my first cup of coffee. Trickle in is to arrive or come slowly and gradually, one at a time. The kids slowly trickle in, sleepy-eyed but excited for the day. Perk up means to become more lively, cheerful, or energetic. The kids always perk up once breakfast is ready. Pull up means to stop a vehicle or bring it to a stop at a specific location. The school bus pulls up to the curb. Catch up means to reach the same level or position as others, or to update someone with news. It's my time to catch up on the news. Whirlwind means a fast and chaotic situation or event that happens very quickly. I take a deep breath, knowing that once I get to work, the whirlwind begins. Grab means to quickly take hold of something. I'll grab a quick bite while catching up on personal errands. Wrap up means to finish or complete something. I'm wrapping up work. Rush out means to leave quickly, usually because you're in a hurry. I'm rushing out the door. Tuck means to push or fold something into a snug or secure position. I read them a bedtime story and tuck them in. Drift of means to gradually fall asleep. It helps them drift off to sleep. Unwind means to relax after a period of stress or activity. It's my way of unwinding after such a busy day. Thanks for joining today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning new English words and phrases. Keep practicing to improve your skills. And remember, learning a little each day makes a big difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time!